Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, thank you so much for your continued support. It means everything to me. And if you're new, I am so glad that for whatever reason you decided to click on this video today. And I sincerely hope by the end of the video that you will decide to stick around, hang out for a while, become part of this beauty YouTube family. I do a lot of unboxing type videos, BoxyCharm and Ipsy. I do makeup hauls, makeup looks, tutorials, get ready with me's, pretty much everything beauty related. We do it here on the channel. And then I also do huge giveaways. I pretty much almost all of the time have some sort of giveaway going on my channel. I think when this goes up, it'll be like the last day to get your entry for my current giveaway, which is huge. If you're new and you don't have your entry, I'll have the video linked in the description box below so that it's very easy for you to find and see all the goodies that you could win and get your entry if you want to. So to get your entry, all you have to do is leave a comment on the giveaway video, because that is how the winners are chosen, through a comment picking app. And then of course, be subscribed here on the channel and you have your entry. And like I said, I do giveaways like this all the time here on the channel. It is my way of giving back to you guys here supporting me doing my passion. So for today's video, you guys, I am so excited. So I have done a few videos for this brand at this point, and the last one that I did was their new winged stamp liner. And in that video I said they had a new cream blush product that I really wanted to try, and they must have heard me loud and clear, because in the mail I got the new IMethod cream blush. The packaging is so cute on this. It says he blushed. It has the IMethod beauty. It is a reusable tin can, which I love. You can use this for traveling. I just love stuff like that. And I do want to mention, let me pull it up here. IMethod Beauty can be purchased on Amazon. Their products are Amazon Prime eligible, meaning you get that free fast shipping. Their products are very affordable, and for the first time, you guys, I have a discount code for you guys to save if you want to purchase not only this product, but any of the IMethod products, any of the products that I have reviewed before, the eyebrow stamp and stencil, the lash serum, lash and brow enhancing serum, the blush stick, or anything else that they sell on Amazon. It is not an affiliate code. I do not get a kickback of money if you use it, but it's just a way for you to save 10% on any of the products that they sell on Amazon. I will have that code in the description box below. So let's talk about this blush stick. It is advertised as a multi-use makeup stick. So it is for your cheeks, eyes, and lips. It does come in 4 shades. We have matte, rose nude, and trying to look up these shades. Sorry, my phone is going super slow. Matte nude pink, peachy coral, which is the shade that they sent for me, and then sheer red. So you've got 4 shade options. They all look absolutely beautiful. I would love to have the full line of these because I do love cream products. They are $22.97 on Amazon, but right now they have one of those click it coupons where you can save $3, and then again you can save an additional 10% with the code that will be below in the description box, and again on this product or any of the IMethod Beauty products. So we're going to jump right in. Again, the shade that they sent over for me is Peachy Coral, which is beautiful. I absolutely adore it. It almost reminds me of like the color of like NARS Orgasm, where it's got that peachy, pinky, golden tone. Also, the product does come with a stippling brush on the opposite side. It actually feels really nice, but in talking with my connection with IMethod, the person who sends me my PR, they said there is a brush included, but they actually recommend blending with fingers. So I don't know why. Maybe we'll try both and see. We are going to use it for eyes, cheeks, and lips. And I want to show you how you can also make a look with this. Okay, so first of all, let's just say these products are great for traveling, or they're great for very fast, quick put together looks, put a little color on your eyes, put a little bit on your cheeks and your lips, and you're ready to go. So on days that you're in a rush or for traveling, for that like compact beauty look all in one kind of thing. So you could totally just put this on your cheeks, put it on your lips, put a little bit on your eyes and call it a day. Or you could actually, for the eyes part, use this as a base and create a look with just a couple more steps, which I think is what I'm going to do. But I'll first show you how quick and easy it would be to just do it by itself. So let's just jump right in. It does have a twist applicator here, and I'm just going to just place it right onto the skin and pull it up just a bit like that. Of course, we're going to blend, don't you worry. This is a beautiful pinky shade. I really would like to own the collection of these, because I do love cream products. Now, one thing that you can put a little bit on the tip of your nose as well, just give you that rosy look to your face. One thing that I'm noticing right away is that this is a nice thick formula. So it's not something that you're going to begin to blend and you're going to lose the color on, which I really appreciate. I think I am going to just try with the brush, because I do have a foundation base on already, and just kind of stipple it into the skin with the brush. And then we can also try to blend with our fingers too if this doesn't work out well. Now, like I said, they did say it came with a brush, but they actually recommend blending out with your fingers. In the package itself, it does come with a little brochure on how to use it, all of the different ways that you can use it, when to use the brush, and when to blend with your fingers. So I think that if I remember correctly, I took a peek at it and it said something like, if you are putting it on a bare face, that you could use your fingers to blend. But if you were putting it on top of a makeup base, like you had foundation down, to stipple it in with the brush. I found that using the brush just now with you guys, I found that using the brush really presses it in. So I'm going to try and get up close so you can see how beautifully it sits on the skin, you guys. It is so, it looks like a second skin. When you're up close, like I'm right up close in a magnetized mirror, it doesn't look cakey. It looks so smooth and beautiful on the skin. It really, 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 truly does. And I think that's because I used the brush to kind of push it into those pores so that it's not accentuating those pores, if that makes sense. And then just kind of really stippling it in with the brush side, and then kind of blending a little bit with my fingers once I feel like I have it really kind of just pushed into the skin. And you guys, I think this is a beautiful, beautiful pink, beautiful shade. I am like in love with this right now. I'm going to have to get my hands on the rest of the collection. And then once I have stippled it in, I'm just kind of taking my finger and swiping upwards with the product. That is pretty. And again, we did not lose the flush of the cheeks by blending it either with the brush or even with the finger as well. We still have that pretty flushed pink cheek. I'm going to add just a touch more right on the apple there, just because I do love my blushes. So that is beautiful. Add a little bit of highlight and we're ready to roll. Of course, we are going to go ahead and use this on the lips and the eyes as well. I think I'm going to take it with my finger. Ooh. That's actually really soft and beautiful on the lips. And if these really girly, soft, pinky shade is not for you, like I said, there are 4 shades available, but I think this is beautiful. A sheer wash of color on the lips. I am loving that. And we are going to do the eyes with it as well. So I'm just going to take my finger. Again, I feel like I say this on quite a few videos, but just in case you're new, my fingernails may look like I have been digging in the dirt, but they are not dirty because of the water that we have here at my house and me being a bleach blonde, meaning like a fake blonde. I have to use like serious toning shampoos every time I wash my hair. Otherwise, my hair would be like rusty orange colored. So it gets under your nails and turns your nails like purplish blue, which I hate. Maybe I should start using gloves when I use that toner. But anyhow, so I just got a little bit of the product on my ring finger, and I'm just going to pat it onto the eye. And I can tell you right away that not only does this product sit beautifully on the skin, this product is going to wear well. I can tell by the consistency of the product. I feel like it would wear through some sweat. I feel like it would wear pretty well all day. I'm probably going to take this with me on my Hawaii trip, you guys. I feel like this would be the perfect addition to my Hawaii trip makeup bag. Honestly, look at that. That is beautiful. And I'm actually going to show you how to create a look with this as a base, but just saying, you could totally rock with this. You saw how easy that was. Put a little bit of product on your thumb finger, just put it on your eye, and then take a little highlight color, add a little bit of highlight under the brow bone on the inner corner, do your liner and mascara, and girl, you're good to go. I mean, you could just leave it like this. It's honestly, it's beautiful, but we're going to take it a step further just because you know me. Okay, so I'm going to take my opposite ring finger and we're going to add some on this eye. And it's so easy to do, you guys. This is like effortless beauty right here. This is minimalist beauty at its finest. So easy, so pretty. IMethod, if you're watching this, please send me the rest of the collection. I am freaking obsessed. Okay, I'm going to add just a touch more on the outer part of this side. Okay, so as I have said, you can totally stop there. Boom, you're good to go. You have a beautiful look. But just to take it a step farther, I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty Gemstones Obsessions palette. And I'm going to take this beautiful multi-chromatic pink right here. I'm just going to take a little bit on my finger and just add it on my lid. Just tapping it right on over that product. And you can use any shadow you want for this. I just thought that this would be a color that would look really pretty with this kind of baby pink. And look at that. It just took it to the next level. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Wow, you know what, you guys? So, I mean, I feel like I've said this a couple times because I have reviewed a few of their products at this point, but I am always really, really, truly, genuinely impressed with the quality of everything that I have tried. I remember getting the brow stamp and being petrified to even attempt to try it on my channel because I thought it was going to be a mess, and I didn't want to let the brand down, but I'm definitely not going to lie to my people. Like, if the shit doesn't work, then it doesn't work, you know, and we're going to find out together right here, right now kind of thing. But then I was like super surprised. If you guys did not see that video, I will link all of my prior IMethod beauty reviews in the description box below. There will be another one coming. I did the first part of my lash and brow enhancing serum. and that is where we unboxed it. I told you all about it, left a link for the product in the description box in that video, and then we're going to be doing an updated video when the product is through. And I keep telling you guys it's coming, and it is, but this is like the product that never ends. Just when I think I'm like at the bottom of it, it's just still coming. But in case you are wondering, I will not leave you in suspense. The shit works. We're going to do a whole video dedicated to close-ups of my brows and lashes, showing you the difference, but there is a visible difference. So that video will be coming very soon. Keep your eye out for it. But yeah, you guys, this is just a super quick and easy way to get a put together look. Now to finish it off, I'm just going to grab this because it's right here. I've been using it lately. This is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. I just literally have it right here. You can grab anything that has a highlight shade. I'm just dipping into this highlight shade right here, putting a bit under my brow bone to finish the look off, just to give a little highlight there. A little on the inner corner. Again, you guys, these steps are not necessary if you're looking for something to minimize, you know, minimalist makeup. This stick is a wonderful option, but I'm just a little bit extra. So, and I wanted to show you how you could take it to the next level as well. But quickly, I am going to do my liner and mascara and come back and show you the final look and talk a little bit about my feelings on the product. So I will be right back. Okay, babes, I am back. I finished off the look by doing a little bit of liner, my mascara. I did put a little bit of lip liner on as well, and then just used a little bit of highlight with the Cover FX enhancing palette. I've been loving that palette for highlight because it's so natural looking but beautiful. And I thought that the pink shade in the palette would go so beautifully with the pink shade of the IMethod product. So what are my final thoughts on this product? I am literally in love, you guys. This product will be going in my makeup bag for my Hawaii trip. Why? I love the shade. I love the light pink shade on me. I think that the shade really complements me, and there are 4 shades, so keep that in mind. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. I feel like the simplicity of it is a beautiful thing if you're in a rush, if you're a makeup minimalist, and I feel like it's a great product. I love the consistency of it. It's not so thick that it feels weird going on your skin, but it's thick enough that you can tell when you're putting it on, it's going to stay on. You're not going to lose the pigment throughout the day. You can tell, and if you purchase the product or you come across the product in any type of way and you're able to try it, you'll know what I mean. When you put it on, it's thick enough that you can tell that pigment is going to stay put until you're ready to wash it off at the end of the night. And again, just the simplicity of it for a full look. Lips, cheeks, eyes. Again, you don't have to do the shadow like I did, but if you want to, even then, you saw how quick it was to create a look. I love this product. IMethod, please send me the rest of the collection of this. If not, then I'll purchase it because I'm hooked. I think this is a great product. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. I think so far, out of all of the IMethod products that I have tried, this is my favorite because I can create a look with this one product, and that is awesome. I also am really, really, really impressed with the Lash and brow enhancing serum because there are visible results from that, which you guys will see in an upcoming video very, very soon. So anyhow, you guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you're interested in this product or any other IMethod beauty products, please use the link in the description box below. Again, I'm not making anything if you use it. I'm not trying to entice you to use it so that I make money. It's not an affiliate link. But if you're interested in any IMethod products, save yourself some bucks, girl. Use the code down below. And I will see you guys very soon in my next one. Bye.